ODM. Hapana, tuongee mzuri. ODM. Your Excellency, the Prime Minister, the Deputy Party Leader, the two of you, I want to take this opportunity just to reiterate on number one. There is a problem. Let us agree. There is nothing you are telling us that we are going to Parliament to discuss the BBI report through it. We know very well that one, William Samuel Ruto, will buy all those members of Parliament. And they'll bring big problem to this country. The only court where we'll get justice is the court of the common mwananchi. Number two, it's only that I wanted to do a follow-up on what my chairman said, but I want to welcome you to Dagoretti North. Dagoretti North, you are at actually Kawangware. Just if I wanted 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 people, can only call them, they are around here. Hakuna kutolewa mbio. Just to celebrate with us. Today it happens also is my birthday, and I'm a happy man that we are launching Chungwa House and celebrating it too. But one thing, nothing is easy at its looks. Everything takes longer than we expect. If anything can go wrong, it will at the worst possible moments. That time has not yet come, but I can ascertain that for us and Baba, for our party in the city, it's safe. Under the leadership of our chairman, Aladwa, I'll tell you that it's safe. We will make it happen. For those ones who are doubting Thomas's, we want to tell you, Mheshimiwa Kamanda, now that you have joined with us, wewe ndio baba yetu hapa Nairobi. Nataka nikwambie kwamba sasa utalinda mji huu. The only two parties in this city, only two people who command this city is His Excellency the President Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Amolo Odinga. No any other person. Wananchi watukufu mpo? Nataka niseme hivi na bila kuogopa. Mnataka niseme? Sisi wakati umefika ambapo hatucheki na mtu yoyote, kwa sababu lazima, kwa wale ambao walifanya economics wanasema, for a human being to give positive results, pain must be inflicted in them. It's not me who said. I grew up, I got that principle in economics and will apply it to the later. Thank you. God bless you.